Hello everyone. In this video, we will create a search box in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, I have some data in my Excel sheet and I want to search through it with a search box rather than the standard Ctrl+F command. To accomplish this, we must first add a search box. Start by going to the Developer tab. If the Developer tab is not already visible, we will add it first. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. On the screen, you will note that the Developer option is not selected. Check the box next to Developer, then click OK. The Developer tab has been added to the ribbon. Next, navigate to the Developer tab and click Insert. Under ActiveX Controls, select the Text Box option. Click and drag the text box to your Excel page. We now need to bind this text box to a specific cell. Right-click the text box and then select Properties. In the Properties window, locate the Linked Cell option. In this example, I'll link the text box to cell M2. Next, we'll utilize the Filter function to filter the data depending on the search box entry. Choose the data range for which you want to search as the first parameter. For the second parameter, we will mix two formulas, isNumber and search. First, put isNumber, then search, and link it to the text box's cell. After that, select the data range. The search will look in the Manager Name column. The third argument allows you to choose a default text to display if no match is discovered. Press Enter to test the functionality. Now, if I type MAR, it will return results beginning with those letters. Similarly, if I write HER, it will return results beginning with HER. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.